Impact Absorbents Incorporated is an absorbent and hazardous spill response supplies manufacturer and distributor. Our mission is to provide safe and eco-friendly spill cleanup solutions working with industrial safety, janitorial suppliers, hazardous spill responders, and grocery and retailer safety professionals. In addition to absorbents, Impact has also innovated the Spill Hero solution, a custom safety and spill response program that can be tailored to your specific needs. The Spill Hero Absorb Super Absorbent solutions include an extensive line of unique granular absorbents that can be used for universal and hazardous spill cleanup, oil spill cleanup, absorb and solidify paints, acid and caustic neutralizing, absorbent with disinfectant for biohazards, aggressive heavyweight absorbent for oil and grease stains. Why our absorbents outperform the competition? Eco-Logo certified, fire-resistant and non-combustible, certified non-leaching, does not contain crystalline silica, complies with OSHA crystalline regulations, 100% organic, non-toxic, and safe. Made in the U.S. Our spill kits are available in sizes from a 6.5-gallon drum kits up to a 95-gallon lab pack kits and contain all the equipment and absorbents you need for a quick, easy, and effective spill response. Our customizable Spill Hero floor safety programs help retail and grocery establishments reduce slip and fall accidents and improve customer and employee safety. I need a hero at spillhero.com. Work with one of our Spill Hero floor safety professionals for a custom-designed program to fit your needs. Customers that have converted to a Spill Hero program have improved their store's appearance, employee engagement, and responsiveness, and have seen an overall improvement in their customers' in-store experience, many reporting up to a 40% reduction in slip and falls. Products include spill stations, biohazard and chemical cleanup kits, portable spill response caddies, personalized training materials, and ongoing program support. Our textile-based sorbents are designed to offer a quick and easy response to spills or leaks. These high-quality sorbents come in a large variety of highly absorbent materials. With over 30 years of experience, an Impact sales professional can help you find the right product for your spills and provide you with the best value. Items include absorbent pads, rolls, socks, pillows, and oil and universal booms. Spill Hero, dedicated to providing the products, tools, and training so you can be a spill hero too. Contact us today.